Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to show you some of the best and beautiful net sleeve blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, net sleeve blouse design make a great impact in deciding how your saree look. It gives your saree a trendy look. Friends, we know that our blouse design is a main highlight of our saree. Slay your look with frill blouse pattern, crepe design, embroidery, aari work, stone work, and net blouse. This video we are showing you some of the best net sleeve blouse design for your reference. Friends, all women these days are experimenting with quiet, modern, and Western inspired blouse. Off shoulder and whole shoulder sleeves blouse have become common, but net sleeve blouses are in trend. Friends, these kind of net sleeve blouse suit silk saree and designer sarees. Friends, even the saree with heavy border go well with this kind of net sleeve blouse design pattern. Fashion expert recommended that these kind of net sleeve blouse look beautiful on women with slim shoulder. Friends, we hope that this kind of latest blouse sleeve design for this video helped you to decide which blouse pattern suit your saree. Choosing only the blouse sleeve design is not sufficient alone. There are lot of design that go into making a blouse sleeve. Friends, this kind of blouse sleeve design enhances your look 10 times more than a regular blouse. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.